Welcome back everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the useReducer hook. useReducer hook is an alternative to the useState hook. Therefore, the useReducer is a hook that is used for complex state management. Discussing the code, the useReducer is a function that accepts two parameters. First is the reducer method, and the second parameter is the initial state. And just like the useState hooks, the useReducer returns an array of two entries. The first element in the array is the variable that holds the state, and the second element is the dispatch method, and the dispatch method is used to dispatch an action. Then we assign it like this. Now let's break it down starting from the parameters. So the first parameter is the reducer method. Yeah? So the reducer method also takes in two parameters. First is the state, second is the action, and then it returns a new state, which is gonna be a switch case. And the switch expression is gonna be an action. Alright, so don't worry, in the next lecture, when we begin to practicalize it, you will definitely understand it well enough. This is all for now. See you in the next lecture. Stay focused and always take care.